first loss of the season. Don't know you sum up the performance and the result for your team this season.
Well, it's credit must be given to the Cavalier team. Came back down from 1 goal, 10 men, to get a victory. So credit must be given. On the other hand, I think complacency get the better of us after, the Cavalier team went down to 10 men and we were leading 1-0. If you look on the 2 goals conceded this afternoon, it is unacceptable. But as I said before, it's the nature of the game. We have to move forward.
Think you have to go read it right like a little coach?
No,
setting in a little.
No, there's no reason to read it right. I think it's just a wake up call. On the day, anybody can win a football game. If you don't come out here to play, then that's the nature.
You're confident you definitely bounce back soon then?
Well, as I say, it's early days. We didn't expect. We wanted to, but we didn't expect. We always look forward to the next game. So we just have to brush ourselves off and move on.
Is this a reminder that despite the quality that you have, a reminder to the players that despite the quality that you guys are, how good you guys are, you have to come here and fight for every chip?
Well, as I said before, on any given day, if you don't turn up to play a football game, you can lose any game. So again, this is just a wake-up call for us to see that, hey, we are in a competition with 13 other teams.
Respect,
yeah, man. All right.